Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your ElevenLabs API key so you can access all the features and voices, especially if you're using plugins like Storyteller.first. Go to ElevenLabs.io and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, register a new one. Once you're logged in, look for My Workspace in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on it, then go to the API Keys menu item. Next, click the Create API Key button. Enter a name for your key so you can identify it later, and then click Create. After the API key is generated, copy it. This is the key you'll use to connect ElevenLabs with other apps or plugins. Finally, go to your plugin or app settings. It's like Storyteller, under Speech Synthesis. Paste your ElevenLabs API key into the appropriate field and save the changes. And that's it. Your ElevenLabs API key is now active, and you can use it to access all the voices and features in your integrations. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more ElevenLabs tips and guides.